Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2021 Lexus NX 300 Executive Package in the color Caviar. Under the hood, you have a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine producing 235 horsepower. You have 18-inch alloy wheels, panoramic view monitors, and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have a 10-way power driver's seat with black leather interior throughout. And on your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, your blind spot monitors, rear trunk hatch, heated steering, your panoramic view monitors, and your differential lock. You also have your power folding rear seat controls. And on your door panel, you have your powered windows, locks, and side mirrors, as well as your memory seating. Your leather steering wheel comes with paddle shifters, your Bluetooth and audio controls, and your cruise control and lane assist settings. You also have your multi-infotainment display controls. And up top, you can see your heads-up display. Your screen display in the middle is controlled by your Lexus trackpad. You have your dual climate controls, your heated and ventilated front seats, audio controls, your mode selector, cup holders. In your center console, you have a wireless charging pad, and above, your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your heated seat controls in the middle. You also have your cup holders and armrest. And on either side, you have power folding rear seat controls. In the rear trunk, you have plenty of space with your spare tire below. You have alternate power folding rear seat controls, your tonneau cover to hide your belongings, and the ability to lock the entire vehicle from your automatic closing trunk. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.